Hey, what's up, Brady? Quick demo video for you for your custom saber by Nevin Barner over at Space Junk Sabers. I just got this done this morning. I've been working on this for the past couple days, but let's go over it, right? Install with a Proffie V2. You've got a CCSabers LED pixels in here for your main PCB. It's a 2-button setup, so you got a switch on each side. You got one here, and then opposite that, you've got one here. So when you're holding this saber upright like that with this button facing on top, your activation is going to be on your right hand side, and then your auxiliary is over here on the left. To get to everything, we just want to unscrew this handle. Unscrew this handle, and here's your chassis, right? Got your Proffie board right there, 28mm Smuggler's Outpost speaker right here, and then what do you got over here? I think it says Solo Sabers over here. Yeah, Solo Sabers over here in Arabish, and it does say Space Junk Sabers over here for Nevin. And then you've got a crystal chamber reveal, which is pretty awesome. So got all the sound fonts on here that you want me to put on. I did wire the crystal chamber independently, so it does a few things different with the aftermarket sound fonts, but then with the stock sound fonts, the crystal will just mimic your blade, okay? So removable battery, spring size or negative over here. Let's throw a battery in. So we're going to start off with Boom to Champ. Auxiliary. Just do a few of these with the handle off so that you can see your crystal. And I gave you twist off. So you asked not to have swing on, right? So when we swing this on, it doesn't come on. We will just turn on with the switch, but you do have twist off, right? And then to get to your soundtrack, you just hold down your power for a second and let go. And do the same thing to turn it off. Hold down power for a second and let go. You got a corn horn on here. See your crystal. Let's go back to ignition real quick. There you see your crystal. I'll turn this guy on. I'll do it from over here. So I want you to be able to see your crystal. And this has the staggered ignition blade that comes with the sound font. And then we'll save Mrs. Sotomayor for last. We're going to put the handle on. So this chassis is just a tight press fit onto the bottom sleeve of this crystal chamber. There's a shorter diameter sleeve sticking out from the bottom of the crystal chamber. I made this just a tight sleeve fit. It's not glued on. It's on there very sturdy though, but it is able to be taken off in the future if it needed to be. But if you don't go yanking and pulling on this chassis, it's not going anywhere. It's super snug. All right, so we'll put the handle on. And we'll throw a blade in too. It takes a 1-inch blade. So this was originally, I think this greebly here was originally meant to be your blade retention. I used it to hold in your PCB right here, your PCB holder. So you don't want to unscrew this guy. And then I put a set screw, an 832 set screw right up top here for your blade retention. It worked out better that way. Actually needed that room down on the bottom so for some wire management. So that's what I did. All right, so we'll lock this blade down. I did make your sensitivity about a 3.8, so when you go to twist this guy off, like you want to do it like you mean it.
Mrs. Sotomayor.
I haven't had a chance to play with this one yet. I played with it a little bit on my buddy Jeff's Saber, but I have not made a demo of it yet. You get the rainbow blade from Mrs. Sotomayor. And you get the rainbow crystal too. Wow, what's the soundtrack? Okay. Now we're into the stock fonts. Oh, there's no swing on. We'll cycle through a few of these and we'll get back to the beginning.
Smooth gray. Smooth fuzz.
Everything's doing exactly what it should. Sounds really good with that speaker in it. Right. Light lock up, so you do have battle mode. We'll get back to the beginning.
Smooth. Smooth Jedi.
It's your battery meter. It's about right here. This battery's brand new. I haven't charged it. Ancient integration.
They're pod racing on Alistair. Very fast, very dangerous.
Boom to champ. Stop one more time on this guy and we'll go through this as well. Just like that. Now we'll take the blade out. So everything's working exactly like it should. It sounds really good. Good sound resonance. Crystal chamber looks really nice. Nevin did a fantastic job there. And then the wire path too. He gave me a hollow brass tube in the back of the crystal chamber to run all of my wires past. So you will not see any wires in this guy at all, which is really cool. All right. So we'll come over here when we're done from the positive side next to the speaker. You can just pull the battery right out with our fingers just like that. And that, sir, is your Saber. You know, let me know if you got any questions. If not, I will get this guy out in the mail to you tomorrow. Thanks.